I'm using one of Harbor Freight Tools, really inexpensive shop lights. It's LED, it's really light. I'm using it for an underhood light to light up the engine bay while I'm working on it. Works really good, lights everything up, really nice. And I also bought, they have these really long adjustable bungee cords by Hallmaster that I'm using to strap it to the hood. There's a lot left over, which I'm going to coil up so I don't trip over it. Look how it lights up everything. It's wonderful. I think I got this. I think I got this light for like it was on sale for like $19 or something like that. Really inexpensive.